Hello friends and welcome back to another video. This is the second part of how to make an image viewer app using Tkinter. So in this video I am going to show you how to add functions in buttons to change the image. You guys can see this is the first image, the second image, the third one and the last image. So first of all what you have to do is to define a function. In my case I will name the function forward and I will name the parameter image number. Now put a colon and start your code. So firstly I will write global lab and global backward button and global forward button. Now what you have to do is you have to write lab.grid underscore forget with empty parentheses. It will forget the grid and it will not overlap your image. Now you have to write lab equals label and in the empty parentheses image equals to image list and in the square brackets image number minus 1. Now let's pack this label in our window by simply writing lab.grid and in the empty parentheses row equals to 0, column equals to 0 and column span equals to 3. Now let's copy the back button and I will paste it right here. Now I will copy the forward button and I will paste it just below it. Now in the back button I have to write command equals to forward and I have to put lambda colon forward and in the brackets I have to write image number plus 1. So now I will copy this command and I will paste it just below in the forward button and I will change the plus sign to minus. Now copy the grid line of the forward button and paste it right here. And now copy the grid line of the back button and I will paste it here. Now if I run the code it will give me an error as I haven't added the command in our buttons. So let's get back to code and in the forward button I will write command equals lambda colon forward and in the empty parentheses 1. So if I run the code now, you guys can see that image viewer app is working perfectly. The forward buttons are working perfectly and backward buttons are working perfectly. And you guys can see exit button is also working perfectly. So that's it for today guys. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you again in the next video.